Hey, my name is Chef Copycat, and today I am going to show you how to make scrambled eggs. Let's do this.
For this recipe, we need butter, salt, and eggs. Step 1. First, let's crack some eggs. I like to use 2 eggs per person, and today I'm cooking for 4 people, so I need 8 eggs. Next, get a whisk and start mixing those eggs. Now let's add some salt. 1/4 to be exact. You can always add more salt at the end. Butter is next. We need 1 tablespoon of it. Let's turn the stove to medium and put some butter in that pan. Next, pour the eggs into the pan and slowly and gently scrape the bottom of the pan. You want to bring the eggs from outside in. Let the eggs kind of curdle up a little. I like my eggs a little bit on the soft and runny side, so I'll go ahead and stop it right here, but you can keep going.
And just like that, we made scrambled eggs. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe and go to my website, chefcopycat.com.